I installed this driveway 31 years ago, and it is in very, very good shape. Still, we did some minor repairs, but we are going to wash it, and then we're going to resand and seal it. This job was one of the very first Nicolock pavers that we installed, and also that were manufactured by Nicolock. It was the year that Nicolock started making pavers. And this is the complete sealed job. This driveway, it's 31 years old. Actually, the pavers look really, really nice. They just been sealed. The sealer we use is a color enhancer. The beautiful part about the sealer that we use is that stones don't look sealed. It's just the color. Looks very vibrant. It looks like the natural color of the stones, just a little more intense. We use polymetric sand in the middle of the joints, and then we let it get hard for a couple days and seal it after that. You can see some weathering on the surface of the stones, but that's 31 years of driving and raining on top of it. The sun rays shining on them. It actually looks really, really nice. The weathering looks more of a natural stone effect. This is the latest sealed Nicolock paving stone driveway, built by Gappsi 31 years earlier, and just cleaned and sealed.